Hey everyone, friends! Today I'll show you what to do if the hidden apps option is missing on your Realme, Redmi or Xiaomi phone. So, normally you'd go into settings, right? Here you'd search for hidden apps. Oops. But you see, it's not there, just like on mine. So what do? Just open the app called Security. There. And swipe up like this. See? And here you'll find an app called Hide Apps. Tap on it and then select which app you want to hide. That's it. This has been everyone. Catch you later.